Before we start, if your iPhone is locked to a carrier or you forgot the passcode, you can use Passixer iPhone Unlocker to remove screen locks, Apple ID, and even bypass MDM in minutes. No tech skills needed. Now, let's see how to quickly change the SIM card on your iPhone. Step 1. Power off your iPhone. Hold the power button and volume button if needed until the slide to power off screen appears. Swipe to turn off. Step 2. Check SIM card size. Make sure your SIM card is the right size. Most iPhones use a nano SIM, but older models may need micro or standard SIM. Step 3. Locate the SIM tray. On iPhone 12 and later, it's on the left side. On earlier models, it's on the right side or top. Step 4. Prepare the SIM eject tool. Use the included SIM eject tool or a straightened paperclip. Step 5. Eject the SIM tray. Insert the tool into the small hole and push gently until the tray pops out. Step 6. Remove the old SIM card. Lift the old SIM out of the tray carefully. Step 7. Insert the new SIM card, place it in the tray with the gold contacts facing down, matching the corner notch. Step 8. Reinsert the SIM tray. Slide the tray back into the slot until it sits flush with the phone's body. Step 9. Turn on your iPhone. Hold the power button to restart. The phone should detect your new SIM automatically. If your SIM is carrier locked. Now, here's the catch. If you're switching from Verizon to T-Mobile, but your iPhone SIM is locked by the old carrier, no amount of reseating will fix it. This is where Passixer iPhone Unlocker comes in. It removes the SIM lock in just a few minutes, keeps your data safe, and works even if you don't remember your Apple ID or screen passcode. Once unlocked, just pop in your new SIM and you're ready to call, text, and browse on T-Mobile. No tech headaches. And that's it. You've successfully changed your SIM card. If your iPhone doesn't detect the new SIM or is locked, remember, Passixer iPhone Unlocker can help you bypass restrictions and switch carriers easily.